Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F804A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, these tires are brand new. You can see they still have the chalk lines. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. The center console will fold up to become an additional seat in the front row, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Taking a look at the bed. You have a spray-in bed liner here, as well as the soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.